right, from real estate, we're going to move to the skies, where Bengaluru-based aerospace component manufacturer JJG Aero has secured $12 million, or about 100 crore rupees, in its maiden funding round from CX partners. The funds are going to be used primarily to increase its facilities' manufacturing capacity, further vertical integration, and other corporate initiatives. Joining me now to discuss this funding and the company's plans ahead is Anuj Jhunjhunwala, the CEO of JJG Aero. Anuj, welcome to Startup Street. Thank you for your time here. Start by telling us about this $12 million funding you raised and how you plan to deploy it exactly when you're talking about expansion plans.
Yes, good evening. And firstly, thank you for having me on the show. So we've recently opened our second aerospace facility. And as you said, most of the funds will be used to expand capacity here. We'll be adding a lot of more high precision CNC equipment, 2-axis to 5-axis. And really, we see being fully integrated is one of the key value propositions for our customers. So we'll be doing a little more backward integration and also some forward integration.
All right. You have 3 fully integrated manufacturing facilities in Karnataka, from what we understand. Do you have plans to expand the existing capacity here, or are you looking to set up more facilities elsewhere?
No, so we already had 3 sites. Now we've opened up our 4th site. This 4th site is a very large facility.
Okay.
And we're going to build it over 2 phases. So once all the phases are complete, I think it will take care of our huge growth plans over the next 4 to 5 years. And they're all in the
Bengaluru area of Bangalore. Where will this new 4th facility be?
They are all in the same neighborhood of Bangalore, in Bommasandra.
All right. Primarily, JJG Aero is focused on building business in the commercial aerospace segment. But just to give us a sense, are there any new product lines, etc., you're looking to foray into? And give us a sense of how big the market opportunity here is that you're looking to capitalize on.
Yes. So our first plan is to move towards a higher value-added components, more complexity parts, more exotic alloys. We're also getting in new projects today which have some assembly and testing requirements. And lastly, we're going to make a big foray into the adjacent industries like aircraft engines. The size of the detailed machine parts industry is huge. We're talking of the range of $20 to $25 billion, depending on which segments you include. So really, we're still scratching the surface, even though we've grown so fast in the last few years.
Well, Anuj, speaking of growing very fast, I read in your statement that the company you claim is growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 35% in the last 3 years. What does that mean in terms of solid numbers you could share with us when it comes to your top line and bottom line? And at what pace do you expect this growth to sort of carry forward in the coming few years?
Yeah, so we just closed FY24 with sales of almost 140 crores. EBITDA margins are over 21%. We expect that to continue. CAGR will be in this vicinity, if not more. Within our company, the aerospace segment is growing very, very fast. We're talking of mid-50% over the next 3 to 4 years. So we're talking of a very, very huge opportunity.
Yes. Anuj, finally, just give us a sense of who your clients are and, primarily what geographies are you catering to? Are you looking at new markets? Are you in talks with newer clients, perhaps the government as well?
Yes, so we don't work with the government. We don't do defense as yet. We work primarily with the biggest names in the world of aerospace. You have the Boeings and Collins and Safrans of the world. The who's who of the European and American ecosystem in aerospace are our clients. We've recently added a lot of these clients over the last 4 to 5 years. The whole geopolitical rebalancing has really played in our favor. And even within these clients, each of them represent on average a $200 million machining sourcing opportunity. So really, we just want to dig deep, increase our wallet share within these clients. Within these clients, there are many business units. You're talking of huge companies which have like $50 to $60 billion of top line. So there are so many business units within these clients where we've still not entered. So our first focus is just to deeply penetrate our existing client base. Beyond that, we will be making a foray into aircraft engines. We're very close to that. And there may be a few more tier ones who will add on.
All right. Interesting updates there, Anuj. We wish you the best with them. And thank you very much for your time here and sharing your thoughts with us today.
Thank you so much.
All right. On that note, it's time for us